What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're just picking off from what we did earlier. We're just gonna scratch off how we was about to clean the. I mean, we cleaned up as much as we could, but we can't get the glass out of the snow. So we got some ice over here that we just wanted to shoot and see what we can do to it. It's thick, but it's not that thick. It's perfect for pellet guns and the BB guns and stuff. And my dad was talking about getting paintball guns too, so yeah, we can do something with that. We got a nice fire going.
It has to be good enough until.
Got a little fire going.
Now we got a super fire.
Yep. Yeah, we're just gonna shoot some of that ice cream.
We're gonna see how these. We gonna get more, but we going to paintball guns. Also to give you guys something to look at. You know what I mean? Other than these guns here.
But
I'm taking off with the big girl. I'm gonna shoot. It's simply from this dog bowl right here. On the outside, literally. So it's got a soft center, but I'm still gonna take it out. Once again, I'm shooting the dog bowl. Probably gonna try and go center. Ready?
yep. You guys probably didn't see that as good, but alright, we gonna walk up and see. So where is that where you hit?
Yeah.
What? How about right through?
And it's not thick glass.
Or ice, you mean?
Or thick ice, yeah.
I mean, it's thick, like right here. It looks like it's thick, but it literally is just like an ice dog bone.
So I went straight through there. This one right here is RIP for now. It's the most accurate, other than the big gun that we have. I don't know what's going on with that, but
Alright, shooting the ice ball.
we got this. We got the Ruger. So I don't know if you wanted to shoot the ice bowl. You see? Yeah. It's the blowback action. She's quick with it too. He's got an empty clip. Let's see what he got going on here. You know he's trash. I see.
I hit up here, I know that, because I saw it.
Yeah. That hit the thick part. This hit the thick part, but that's a good shot you hit down there.
I think I've missed a couple shots, but that's it.
Yeah,
I see a couple BBs point right there. I see a couple BBs down there. We're using the copper. We thought maybe it would do better on the copper, but it's kind of the same, so.
Yeah.
It wasn't a waste of our money because we needed BB. We needed ammo, but it really isn't better. It's like kind of the same, so yeah.
I figure it's kind of the same too, but I don't know, did they see what I'll shoot this thing, I guess.
My dad's gonna shoot now.
I'm gonna shoot now, you know, the professional, you know what I mean? I ain't got trash guy out here. I mean fat guy out here.
I'm gonna get over here with it.
I'm gonna hit the trash can top frozen thing.
So we looking at that.
Yes, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. Yes, sir. You got this?
Yeah,
we got the old trustee right here. This is the old trustee. I pumped it like 10 times. 15 maybe. Yeah, it's the old trustee, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see what she do.
Am I shooting at the garbage?
I would shoot at the garbage can top, yeah. Oh, that was a good shot.
I love that gun.
You will be able to see on.
I think I hit right here.
Wait, look for the.
I'm not sure.
Look for the round.
The round?
Yeah.
That would have been dope if it would have stuck in there.
It has to be somewhere. Oh, was that a BB that you shot?
Yeah.
It's right there.
Nice.
Right in there.
You sure that wasn't for the pistol round?
Oh, right. True.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. And if you like this video, like and subscribe. And check out our other videos.